Good Friday is celebrated by Christians. It is to observe the crucifixion and death of Jesus Christ. The death of Jesus Christ was a painful experience, but Christians respect it because they believe that Jesus Christ died for their sins and made the ultimate sacrifice for his people. If Easter is the celebration of Christ's resurrection from the tomb, Good Friday is a day in which the church commemorates everything from his condemnation to his passion. This year, Good Friday is being observed on April 7th. It is observed by act of abstinence and fasting by Christians. They attend church services, offer prayers, readings, and sermons. Processions are held on Good Friday in some parts of the world where people carry crosses and banners through the streets to mark the day. It is also the day of personal reflection, prayers, meditation on the significance of Jesus' death and sacrifice.